Mentor We. Density Matters. Kokomo Investment. All right now on Stellantis Spotlight. The company marked the start of Women's History Month with a special event to celebrate its new Mentor We development program. Developed in partnership with the Great Lakes Women's Business Council, Mentor We is designed to prepare women-owned suppliers for future business opportunities, while further expanding Stellantis' support of initiatives to empower diverse suppliers. Mentor We kicked off this past fall, with 9 women-owned businesses from a variety of industries as part of an initial 9-month cohort. Density Matters. The second teaser video for the Dodge brand's 7th and final 2023 Last Call Special Edition model debuted this week and offers another hint to the identity of the final Last Call vehicle. Leprechauns, good versus evil, 7.1 pounds? What are the clues telling us? The series of teaser videos leads up to the final unveiling of the new special edition on March 20th in Las Vegas. Check out all of the Dodge Last Call teaser videos ahead of the live reveal, which you can watch at dodgegarage.com. And finally, CEO Carlos Tavares announced a total investment of $155 million in 3 Kokomo, Indiana manufacturing plants to produce new electric drive modules. These new EDMs consist of 3 main components: the electric motor, power electronics, and transmission, that are combined into a single module to deliver improved performance and range at a competitive cost. The investment will help power future electric vehicles assembled in North America and support the goal of 50% battery electric vehicle sales in the US by the next decade. Those are this week's top stories on Stellantis Spotlight. Reporting for Stellantis Digital Media, I'm Peter Spezia.